All right, boys and girls. So for this week, we're going to be talking about comparing and ordering numbers. And also on one of your last pages, you're going to be talking about rounding numbers. This is something you're familiar to, but I'm just going to go ahead and review. Okay. So remember when we're talking about comparing numbers in fourth grade, you're going to go all the way to the millions. Okay. So remember you have your ones, your tens, your hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, and your millions. Okay. So let's go ahead and try to practice these. Okay, so for this one, I have 34,165, 34,615, 43,156. And I have to put them in order from greatest to least. So my first thing is I need to go ahead and look in my 10,000s place, okay? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. Remember the place value chart I showed you. So I see a 3, I see a 3, and I see a 4. Well, I know 3 is less than 4. So I know this one should be going first, okay? So I know I'm already done with this one, so I need to compare these two. So I have a 3, I have 30,000, I have 4,000 because the 4 is in the thousands place. I have 100, and I have 600. Yes, 600 is more than 100. And then we have this one. This is the least, middle, and this is the greatest, okay? All right, so let's get to this one. I switched it. I did least to greatest. So I have to figure out which one is the least amount. I can look and tell off the bat which one it is, but if you need help, just go ahead and make you a place value chart like this, okay? And you can put those numbers in. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that for you. So I have 900, sorry, you can't see it, 913,763. So I know that I'm dealing with the 100,000th place. So I'm gonna go put 9, 1, 3, don't forget your comma, 7, 6, 3. Then I have this number, 910,673. 910,673. And I'll move this up as I get up closer. Okay, and my last number is little old 91,763. Okay, guys, now I got to put these in order from least to greatest, not greatest to least. Okay, so I know just looking at this, I know this is my least amount. So I'm going to go ahead and put a little L right there, okay? Then I have to compare these two. So I can go ahead and look. I still have 900,000, 10,000, because there's a 1 in the 10,000s place. Uh-oh, that's 3,000, and that's 0. So I know that this one is the greatest. So this would be second, and this would be third. Then we're done with that one, right? Quick, easy and quick. Okay, so then we have this one, which talks about which sign do we use to compare two numbers. All right, so let me go ahead and put those numbers in. Okay, so the first one is 651,023. Okay, then the next one is 665,188. Okay, there's my numbers. I have to compare these two. This is 600,000, 50,000, 60,000. Which one is more, 50,000 or 60,000? I know that the 5 is less than 6. So I know 665,188 is going to be more than 651,223. So I know this one is going to be the greatest and this one's going to be the least. So my sign is going to always have to go towards the larger one. Remember your signs. Your signs are very important, okay? So I gave you those examples right there. This is something, pause it, go back to it if you want to do that before you do your work. So for your packet, everyone should have their packet. Your cover page, same as last week, just different numbers, okay? Remember, when you're logging in with me, only if you have questions, you type in a capital I and then the rest I did, okay? Remember to turn your work in to me before the due date, but please try your best not to turn it in after the due date, okay? You can send it to my email, you can send it to Remind. Here's the school website where this video will be, and if you need a PDF of this packet, you'll find it there as well, okay? I also gave you some notes that you can reference over comparing and ordering numbers. You can even do it with base 10 blocks, and when we're ordering numbers as well. And then rounding, I also gave you some notes here. I left this blank so that you can use this if you choose to. And I gave you some hints and some steps to help you remember how to round, okay? So for Monday, here is your page, and yours are labeled, mine isn't. Then Tuesday, then you got Wednesday, Thursday, and the last day is Friday. And remember, once you're done with Friday, you can go ahead and submit everything to me. Make sure you only submit a Scantron. Do not submit this whole thing. Only submit the Scantron, okay? You have a Scantron in the back of your packet, okay? All right, so if you have any questions, feel free to jump on Zoom Tuesday and Thursday with me from 10 to 11. Also, Miss T will be on Zoom if you are not available to get to me from 10 to 11. She'll also be available in the afternoon, okay? So hope to see you soon. If I don't see you, I hope you are doing well. Bye.